Good evening and welcome to 200forextips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 4th of May 2018. Okay guys, I'm going to talk about the few trades that are successful as per the signals report. So let's get started with AUD JPY that we have added in this week. So AUD JPY with a bearish expectation from my side, I have provided the entry in the morning 821140. The level is already drawn on my chart and you can see that right from the entry we have seen the downward trend and the target price was 81745. However, the market has went down up to 81684. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions on AUD JPY today, they should be in good profits as per the signals report. Now let's talk about another pair that we have added this week was Euro JPY, and we have controlled this pair throughout the week. I have the entry on Euro JPY with a bearish expectation from 130579, and you can see a clear downward trend for few hours on Euro JPY, and it has hit the level 129229. However, the target price was a bit high, 129847, but however the market started to gain the recovery before that level. So overall, if you have traded this gap, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 hours, there was a chance to profit on Euro JPY. Okay guys, right now you should not trade because you know that this is going to be the closing session of Friday, so you need to avoid trading here, and we will come up with another signal on Monday and we will discuss the analysis later on. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY, which is the 8th pair of my signals report. I was having a bearish expectation on this pair from 147874, and you can see a downfall right from the entry. We have first of all break the entry and then we have went up to 147079. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 hours we had a chance to profit on Great Britain Pound JPY because 6 hours it has completely went inside the bearish zone and we have seen the bearish opportunities on the pair. Right now it's making the recovery, but if we talk about the recovery, this recovery is coming after a hammer. You can see this is a complete downward trend, then two hammers were appeared and now it's a sign of a trend reversal. That is why it is gaining some momentum in the market. Okay, now let's talk about the massive trade that is taken on USD Canadian dollar. It was very easy trade from my side. I have supplied a bullish clear trend from 128587, and you can see right from the level the market started to make a bullish pressure and it has hit the target price 129050. So overall, if you have traded USD Canadian dollar, then hopefully you should hit the target price in 2 hours, and in 2 hours it must have given you the good profits. I am switching my chart to 4 hour and then I'm going to the daily chart. You can see that from many days we were looking the bullish trend on USD Canadian dollar. That is why I have changed my mind to be bullish on USD Canadian dollar, and hopefully you people must have got some pips on USD Canadian dollar. Okay, now let's talk about the AUD USD. So guys, it is closed at my end, but I'm just giving the signal here. So I have sent the recommendation. The market is just about to touch the entry. So 075319 is the bullish entry for the entry on AUD USD. If it breaks that level, if it stays above 075319, then it can stay more above and it will be back into the bullish zone, and the target price is 075622. Okay, now let's talk about the USD JPY. A very easy signal from my side. It's on the way. I have done scalping on USD JPY. 109115 was the entry, and you can see just from the entry it's gaining upward momentum. So guys, the target price is 109508. The level is already drawn on my chart. So if it continues to bullish trend like this, then it can hit the level 109508. So if we look at the higher time frames, now look at here. If you look at the previous trend on 4-hour chart on USD JPY, we have a complete downward trend. The recent trend is down, and then a strong bullish candle has appeared on the chart, which means that there are still a lot of chances for the next candle to close bullish on USD JPY. That is why it's pumping up on the hourly chart. So guys, note down, this is the target price. Today the target price can hit 109508. At last, I'm going to talk about the sell position that is taken on Euro USD. I have supplied the clear bearish trend in case of Euro USD. I was expecting this pair to be the weak today. 119677 was the entry, and you can see right from the entry we have seen a drop, and it has hit the targeted price that I have supplied in my signals report, 119232. So hopefully subscribers, you should be in profits as per the trading system as per the signals report. So for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, I'm just drawing the trend lines here. sell, buy in that lower red boundary. The lower red boundary means this is the oversold level, sorry. So this is the oversold level, the market received a boost. This is the oversold level, the market received a boost. And today again, we have seen that from yesterday it was gaining the momentum from the oversold level, and today it went up. And when it gone into the top red boundary, it has received the rejection, and USD Canadian dollar was down. Similarly, you can see here when it went into the top red boundary, it has received the rejection. So this is how we use the trading system. So guys, we have closed this week in a very good manner, and hopefully you people must have caught the profits. And I have posted some reviews of the customers on Facebook page so that you can understand that how people react to 200forexpips.com services. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Have a great weekend. Bye.